Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you this kite wall decoration. So let's start. Colorful paper, broomsticks, sellotape, masking tape, double-sided tape to different color yarn and glue. For the kite, I cut the paper in square shape and adding two papers together so that the kite becomes more sturdy. Now adding those broomsticks with some masking tape on the back side of the kite. Adding the yarn with some tape. I cut a small piece of paper, fold it and adding it to the kite. Again I cut some paper for the decoration. I'm just folding it back and forth. Add sellotape in the middle. Pull the ends for the design. Next, I'm just gluing it on the string. After finishing the kites, I hang them on the wall with double-headed sticker. And I use some sellotape to stick those strings. I'm writing down the code. First I use pencil, then I'm just coloring it. So this is the result. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you.